Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an agent terminated due to an error in Google Antigravity. First, check your internet connection. Shut it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Make sure you are using a stable and fast network because an unstable internet can cause the agent to stop suddenly. You can also turn on airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it off again to refresh the connection. Next, restart your computer to clear temporary system issues that might be causing the error. Now, open Settings on your PC, then click on System from the left side. Scroll down and open Troubleshoot, then run the available troubleshoot options to detect and fix any system problems. After that, go back and click on Windows Update. Then click on Check for Updates and install any pending updates to keep your system up to date. Next, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner and go to Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Choose Cookies, Cache, and Browsing History. Then click on Delete Data to remove any corrupted files. After that, reopen Google Antigravity and run the agent again. The error should be fixed and the agent should work smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.